In this video, we are going to look at the right hand thumb rule. Okay, so in order for us to look at this rule, we are going to consider two scenarios. Scenario number one, current conductor. So we are going to consider current conductor. So we are going to look at how we can apply right hand thumb rule uh, to current conductor. We are also going to look at the solenoid. So these are two scenarios, or these are two situations we are going to consider when applying right hand thumb rule. So the right hand thumb rule was devised by John Ambrose Fleming. It is also called Maxwell's corkscrew rule. Okay, so like I said, we are going to look at the two scenarios or two situations, the current conductor and the solenoid. Okay, so let us first start by looking at the current conductor. So grip, if you grip or if you hold a current conductor, where the thumb is pointing shows or represents the direction of the current. Then where the remaining four fingers are pointing, represents the direction of magnetic field or magnetic lines. Let us consider the diagram showing what we are talking about. So we can see the current conductor here, and the current conductor has been held using the right hand, and we can see that the thumb is pointing here. So the thumb shows the direction of the current. Then where the four fingers are pointing shows the magnetic field. So we can see that the four fingers are pointing in this direction. So this shows the direction of magnetic field or magnetic fields or magnetic uh, lines. Okay, we are also going to look at this diagram here. So we can see that the where the thumb is pointing shows the direction of the current, and where the the remaining four fingers are pointing shows the magnetic field. Now let us shift to the next scenario. We are also going to look at how we can determine the poles of the magnet in the solenoid. We can see that we are done with the current conductor. Now let us look at how we can determine the poles, how we can know the poles of the magnet in the solenoid, or how we can figure out, or how we can determine the the poles of the bar being magnetized within the solenoid. Okay, so now we are considering the solenoid. So the solenoid has a good number of coils. So if we put a magnetic material bar within the solenoid, and if we use the right hand thumb rule, where the thumb is pointing represent the North Pole and the magnetic fields. So we have seen how we can determine, or how we can figure out the poles and the magnetic field of the bar within the solenoid. So if you curl your fingers, the direction, the thumb, where the thumb is pointing shows the direction of the magnetic field and the North Pole. So we can see that the thumb shows uh, North Pole, shows the North Pole and the magnetic field. Okay, so to appreciate the importance of what we have learned, we are going to answer this question, which is coming from Science Paper 1, 2021. And the question is question A18. Question A18, the question reads, the following diagram shows a piece of steel placed inside a solenoid. We can see a piece of steel placed inside the solenoid. If the switch S If the switch S is closed and opened several times, the end A of the steel bar becomes A, temporal North Pole, B, permanent North Pole, C, permanent South Pole, D, temporal South Pole. Okay, so we can see that the current are moving in this direction. The current are moving in this direction. So if we curl the solenoid, or if we grip the solenoid given, following the direction of the current, we are going to discover that the thumb will point here. The thumb will point here. So as a result, so if the thumb point here, so this one will be our north. Okay, this one will be our north, then this one will be our south. So therefore, the end A of the steel will be south. Now let us let us also consider the type of magnetic material being magnetized here. So the type of magnetic material being magnetized here is steel, and the steel makes a permanent magnet. So which means the magnet that will be produced will have permanent poles. So we are going to have permanent south pole. So therefore our correct answer is C. So this brings us to the end of this video. So if you find this video impactful, share this video, share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow my Facebook page. Thank you very much for watching this video.